used to that. I'm making a video here. I'm taking a video. That's what I like to do. I like them scratching around, digging around. So.
Just like saying anything about your chicken farm?
Oh well, it's my chickens. Look at them how they used to eat.
Got them a new toy?
Got them a new toy. Where I got them from, they're used to eating out of that feeder like that. We just realized that. So.
That's pretty good. I see you got your first egg of the season here.
2 of them, in fact.
2 of them.
Yep.
All right. Well, I'm sure we'll be hearing more from the Rivera chicken farm pretty soon, huh?
Yes, sir.